Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Wi-Fi not showing or working on your Windows 11 device. Let's get started. First, make sure airplane mode is turned off. You can check this by clicking the network icon on the taskbar. If it's already off and your Wi-Fi is still missing, go to Settings, click Network and Internet, then select Advanced Network Settings, and finally click Network Reset. This will reinstall all your network adapters and restore the default settings. Still not working? Try opening Device Manager, expand Network Adapters and right-click your Wi-Fi driver. Choose Update Driver or uninstall it and restart your PC. Windows will automatically reinstall it for you. Lastly, make sure the Wi-Fi service is running. Press Windows and R, type services.msc and hit Enter. Scroll down to WLAN Auto Config. Right-click it and select Start. That's it. Your Wi-Fi should now be back up and running. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.